Learn English with picture description. Rainy day with two boys. Two boys are standing outside. Two boys are standing outside. Your turn. It is raining. It is raining. Your turn. The boys are holding umbrellas. The boys are holding umbrellas. Your turn. One umbrella is yellow. One umbrella is yellow. Your turn. The other umbrella is pink. The other umbrella is pink. Your turn. One boy is wearing a purple t-shirt. One boy is wearing a purple t-shirt. Your turn. The other boy is wearing a red t-shirt. The other boy is wearing a red t-shirt. Your turn. One boy has blue shorts. One boy has blue shorts. Your turn. The other boy has black shorts. The other boy has black shorts. Your turn. Both boys are barefoot. Both boys are barefoot. Your turn. They are standing on green grass. They are standing on green grass. Your turn. A big tree is near them. A big tree is near them. Your turn. There are houses in the background. There are houses in the background. Your turn. Paper boats are floating in the water. Paper boats are floating in the water. Your turn. The boys are happy in the rain. The boys are happy in the rain. Your turn. How many boys are standing outside? How many boys are standing outside?
Two boys are standing outside. Two boys are standing outside.
What is the weather like? What is the weather like?
It is raining. It is raining.
What are the boys holding? What are the boys holding?
The boys are holding umbrellas. The boys are holding umbrellas.
What color is one umbrella? What color is one umbrella?
One umbrella is yellow. One umbrella is yellow.
What color is the other umbrella? What color is the other umbrella?
The other umbrella is pink. The other umbrella is pink.
What color t-shirt is one boy wearing? What color t-shirt is one boy wearing?
One boy is wearing a purple t-shirt. One boy is wearing a purple t-shirt.
What color t-shirt is the other boy wearing? What color t-shirt is the other boy wearing? Your turn. What color shorts does one boy have? What color shorts does one boy have? What color shorts does the other boy have? What color shorts does the other boy have? Are the boys wearing shoes? Are the boys wearing shoes? Where are the boys standing? Where are the boys standing? What is near the boys? What is near the boys? What is in the background? What is in the background? What is floating in the water? What is floating in the water? How do the boys feel in the rain? How do the boys feel in the rain?